Hey, this is a quick video on how you can add and embed videos directly into your Shareables widget. So right here, I'm on a Shareables widget. I'm using the video course template, but you can do this on any widget. And as you can see, I've got some videos in here. So if I were to click on one of these, I could start playing the YouTube video. I can even go into this and see how the video looks. And it's super easy to use. So Shareables supports YouTube links, Vimeo links, and most MP4 publicly hosted links. And all you need is to have that link and add it to your data source. So over here, we have our spreadsheet, which is the data that we're using for our widget. And I've got a bunch of links to my YouTube. I can also grab a link for Vimeo. And I can grab a link for an MP4 link. This here is hosted publicly. Add those in here. Cool. And then let's go back to our widget. So I'm going to refresh the preview. And as you can see, we've got our YouTube link, our Vimeo link, and also our MP4 link. And all of these appear in our widget. Now, the way to add videos, if you have links already in your data source, is to head to the Content tab, head to cover video, or it may say cover image, and you can turn the media type from image to video. Once you've done that, select the column in your data source that has your video URL and then add it. The other way you can do it is you can also add them as additional fields. So if we go add field and we go video and we select the column, we've now added a field below here with our video. And as we can see here, our field type is video. The field we're using is our video URL from our data source. And we can also do some additional stylings like aspect ratio as well. That's all you need to do. Super simple. Give it a go.